costume that I am wearing represents the livelihood of the beautiful people from the province of Quezon, the Pamaypayan Festival. A miraculous evening to everybody. My name is Jaja Martinez, a fresh, indeed innocent, 22-year-old stunner, and I am all the way last from our very own, my hometown, Daluyong City. I am currently finishing my degree in Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics, a consistent Dean's Lister. For tonight, let me stand by the name. Minsan niyo na po kong napanood sa Kadenang Ginto. At ang babaeng nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Kyle Etchari. Opo, ako nga po nag-iisang Miss Francine Diaz na nagsasabing ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan, siya natulala sa aking kagandahan. Once again, good evening, enjoy the show, and I love you all. Thank you.
Good evening, people of Mandaluyong. My name is Aldrea Macianoza, hailing all the way from the Binalayan Festival of the Philippines, Binangonan, Rizal. My costume represents our native Kagataan Aita. Today, you guys can also call me by the name of Blythe, aka Miss Andrea Brillantes. Thank you.
A journey of 100,000 miles begins with a single step. So learn how to rest and never ever quit. To the highlands of Luzon, maimbag nga rabi. To the island of Visayas, isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. And here, in the heart of the metro, good evening, everyone. This is Miss Yodge Cesar, 17 years old stunner, all the way last, from a place who always make it happen. Welcome to my hometown, Namayan, Mandaluyong City. The national costume that I'm wearing for tonight proudly represent the Basketry Festival of the Philippines from the province of Bohol. And this costume is also a call to amplify and give better opportunities for our magsasaka. And definitely to ask, nasaan na po ang ipinangako nyong 20 pesos na bigas? This is Cabinet number 3 saying that love the life you live and live the life you love. Thank you.
Let us go for happiness, not for what is best.
Because having the best without true happiness will always considered as worthless. Good evening. My name is Daniel Pablo Kinit, 21, all the way from Mandaluyong City. But for tonight, this is a pageant. Please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only Miss Cosmo, first runner-up, 2025, Miss Chelsea Fernandez. Chelsea Fernandez saying, it's not the crown that makes the queen, but the queen who makes the crown. Ladies, gentlemen, judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is inspired by Tinalak Festival of the Philippines made by the Tivoli people, representing the beautiful heritage of Mindanao. Mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas. Good evening.
A true beauty shines not only in physical perfection, but the courage to inspire, the heart to uplift, and the grace to create a meaningful impact here in this world. Tonight is not just a competition, but a celebration of beauty, talent, and advocacies of our country's modern trends Pinay. That is why we united here, not just to showcase our beautiful face, nor our beautiful body, but we united here because we have advocacy. And my advocacy in life is to promote inclusive, equitable quality of education for the younger generation. Because I firmly believe that that every children deserve a quality of education because it's our basic rights. Kaya naman sa mga kabataan dyan, mag-aral ka habang may nagpapaaral ka. Dahil ika nga ng mga matatanda na ang edukasyon, ang pinakamahalagang bagay na kailanman ay hindi maagos sa iyo ng iba. What a glamorous, spectacular evening! The people of Namayan, wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming pang salamat. A girl standing here in front of her naked eye is a fresh and indeed innocent 18-year-old sinner, hailing all the way from the grandest Lakbayo Festival of the Philippines, Tondo, Manila. My name is Heaven Humawan, but for tonight, allow me to carry the image of our Binibining International 2023 third runner-up and our Miss Universe Cebu Province 2026. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Nicole Borromeo. Miss Nicole Borromeo, who believes that every experience is a lesson and every moment is a chance to grow. My national costume was inspired by a modern Filipiniana that symbolizes the courage, strength, and femininity of our Filipina women. Kaya naman, mabuhay ang mga kababaihan. Happy Women's Month. Judges, I will not ask you to mark my number, but remember, this girl is about to fight fair and square. Thank you so much.
layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan at sa binigat-bigat ng aking costume. People of Mandaluyong, ang hindi papalakpak at hindi sisigaw, sasagasaan ko. Tonight, let us celebrate beauty and diversity. And when Brian brings to life, I am your undeniable result. Let's take a moment to appreciate the national costume. Kasi next week po naglalakad na tayo lahat. Joke lang. A national costume that carries not just passenger, but also hopes and dreams. A national costume inspired by our very own Philippine tricycle. I am Ramona de los Santos Baluno, a graduate of Business and Sales Management in Singapore and currently taking my second degree of BS Psychology at the University of Batangas, Lipa Campus, all the way from the land of the world-class bakers, Municipality of Cuenca, Alae, Probinsya ng Batangas. And tonight, as this is a pageant, let me stand by the name. Ang babaeng minsan niyo na pong minahal sa Always Be My Maybe. Ang babaeng minsan nang nagpakinig sa inyo sa Pasyon de Amor. Opo, ako nga po. Ang babaeng artista sa umaga, rakista sa gabi. Miss. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan, Miss R.C. Munoz. Judges, mark my number. I might be a beginner and this might only be my 13th pageant, but tonight, number 6 will be your new paboritong Batanggenyang Contesera. Good evening, Mandaluyong, and enjoy the rest of the show.
For the glistening assemblage people of City of Mandaluyong, for the last time, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? I really don't mind traveling an hour and a half, hailing all the way from the fashion capital of the Philippines, just to see the beautiful faces and the smile of every Mandalena. Hello. In the privacy of my everyday life, I have always been a warrior. But tonight, ladies, gentlemen, and in between, allow me to stand here as your queen, the queen, who is naked in your eye, is only 25-year-old stunner. The name is Josh Rabong, and I am very proud to say, scholar ng bayan sa umaga, call center agent sa gabi. Rusty Kapulila. Taking a Bachelor of Arts in Literary and Cultural Studies in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, proud, dignified, and consistent per residence, lister, kahit magpakitaan pa tayo ng transcript of records. As I am venturing the production area of the one and only equitable access for every LGBTQ community, a senior process executive in Cognizant Philippines, in BGC Taguig. But tonight, since this is a pageant, honorable panelists and all audience, allow me to carry the image of one of the most promising beauty queen of the Philippines, your very own Miss Grand International 2023, fifth runner-up. Let me carry the image and borrow the womanhood of Miss Roberta Tumundong. Roberta Tumundong ho, na nag-iwan ng hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawang kataga, sapagkat ako'y naniniwala na ang bawat salitang aming bibitawan ay kanyang iuuwi ng bawat manonood sa kanilang mga tahanan. Ito ay isang paalala na ang kagandahan kailanman hindi nakikita sa pisikal na kaanyuan, sapagkat ang tunay na kagandahan ay kung paano ka gagawa ng mabuti sa iyong kapwa. At kailanman, ang gandang tinatawag nila ay natatakpan na kung ang puso, isip, at talento na po ang pag-uusapan. So to all the girls, ladies, queens, and my sisters backstage, I'm daring you on. Let the battle of beauty and brain begin! Good evening!
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat, for I always believe that the best way to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 22 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibacks, first runner-up. This is your face card paborito, Miss Karen Montesillo. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Loisa Andalio, na nagsasabing, minsan sa buhay, sa kagustuhan po natin maging magaling, nakakalimutan po natin maging mabuti. Judges and audience, I am your candidate number 8. Just sit back and relax because it's showtime.
People of Barangay Namayan, Mandaluyong City.
Joke lang po. In a world where everyone would like to be noticed, I prefer to be remembered. I may not be the prettiest, the sexiest, or the most popular candidate tonight, but one thing is for sure, I am authentic, and I am always ready to give them a good fight. Hello everyone, my name is Ash Aldama Simonias, 26 years old. All the way from the historical capital of the Philippines. Yes, I am from Cavite province. I am a project manager, a tourism ambassador, and proud and humbled to be your first ever Reina ng Turismo Cavite 2023. But tonight, since this is the battle of street names, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only lady who once captured the heart of Mr. Aljur Abrenica. Magbigay pugay sa inyong Reyna Amihan, ako po ngayong gabi, si Miss Kylie Padilla. Thank you. Miss Kylie Padilla na nag-iiwan po ng isang awitin para sa lahat. Napakaraming muro dito sa akin, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Nag-a-abroad sila. Napakaraming gwapo dito sa namayan, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Bakla na din sila. And tonight, come what may, I am here to slay. Thank you very much.
Hello. Life is like a journey. It is a long road from beginning to never ending. And it is a cycle together like a maze. It is your choice, you're padding your way. So hold on to the book of life and let's celebrate a wonderful journeys to joyride. I am Miss Leon Marie Garcia, 21-year oldest seller, hailing all the way from the city of Seven Lakes, Sampaloc at Bunot, Yambo at Pandi, Buhicam, Calibato at Palakpakin, from the city of San Pablo, province of Laguna. And tonight, this is a pageant or competition. Please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, Miss Sophia Pablo. Miss Sophia Pablo na nagsasabing, hindi na po kailangan ng cocaine, shabu, at higit sa lahat marijuana. Sapagkat sa gandang pa lang,